It's a brand new FM Rebroadcast Receiver, and it's just won an award here at NAB 2026. Hi, it's Paul with another OnAir Tech Take, and I'm with Earl from Inovonics. So, well done on the award. That's great.
Thank you.
So that's from Radio World, was it?
Yes.
And why did you get it? Why are you so deserving?
Well, it's a pretty special piece. We've been working on this for quite a while, but this is replacing one of our existing rebroadcast receivers, but it's got new technology in it. We're doing what's called MRC, which has been done in cars for a long time. MRC stands for maximum ratio combining. And what it does is it has two antennas. Rather than having two antennas that just switch back and forth, MRC looks at three different solutions. Antenna 1, Antenna 2, and the combination of the two. So here we've got, on screen, we've got Antenna 1's got an RSSI of 42, Antenna 2's got 43, and then combined we're picking up anywhere from 0.2 to 0.5 extra dB of RSSI, as well as dropping the multipath. So you're getting less multipath by having the combination, and it combines in different ratios. It's not just 50-50, it might be 10-90 or 80-20, depending on whatever gives the best solution for the best SNR.
Great, what else do I need to know about it?
So it's also incorporating a very, very powerful processor now. So we've got a 5-band compression, and we also have a 4-band parametric equalizer. It also can be fed with streaming.
So it's not just the off-air rebroadcast, you can take it in from elsewhere.
Stream inputs. You can also configure the stream to be primary and fail over to the tuners, or you can have the tuners be primary, fail over to the streaming. You can also have, it's got 4 gigabytes of internal RAM, so you can have backup files. And then RDS can be derived from even the file names on the backup. So the file names on the backup can feed your RDS. So you can always be rock solid with that. Also, the processor could be configured to have different settings based on the source. So when you do fail over, you have the same exact sound profile.
Great. Well, congratulations on the award.
Thank you.
It's the Aaron 656 from Inovonics. Checking it out here at NAB 2026. If you'd like to know more, contact us for a custom solution at onair.au.